Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Hostgator subscription plan or Hostgator hosting package, whatever you have. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are on Hostgator, and if you'll go to your hosting plan, as you can see, you can only upgrade your plan here. So to find the cancellation process, you're going to go on your profile icon right there, and you're going to click on Renewal Center. Now from here, you will see your plan. So once you click on this box, you will see that you can either renew now, disable auto renew, or switch the payment. So to cancel it, you just basically need to disable. Click disable auto renew, then click yes and disable. And after that, your hosting plan will not renew, for example, for me after this date, and your hosting package will be cancelled. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.